Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Today's episode is simple, powerful, and life-changing. You will learn how to speak English fluently with only 10 minutes of daily practice. No stress, no long books, and no difficult grammar. Just 10 minutes every day. This method is proven, easy, and perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Most English learners believe fluency comes from studying for hours, but that is not true. Fluency comes from consistency, not pressure. Your brain does not become fluent from big, heavy lessons. It becomes fluent from small, repeated moments. Just like learning to type, just like learning to drive, just like learning any skill, small daily practice creates automatic pathways in your brain. This is called automaticity, the ability to speak without thinking too much. 10 minutes a day is enough because your brain stays relaxed, you avoid burnout, you repeat often, you build confidence, and you create a daily English habit. Small practice builds strong fluency, slowly but powerfully. That is why 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Now, let me teach you your perfect 10-minute English routine. Follow this every day and your speaking will grow fast. In the first minute, warm up with easy English. Say simple things out loud like, "I'm here to learn," "I'm ready to speak," "I want to improve." In minutes 2 to 4, learn 3 to 5 new phrases like, "I woke up early," "I'm getting ready," "I'm feeling good today." In minutes 5 to 7, build your own sentences using these phrases like, "I woke up early because I had work," "I'm getting ready to go outside," "I'm feeling good today because I slept well." In minutes 8 and 9, tell a tiny 1-minute story using today's sentences. For example, "Today I woke up early. I made breakfast. I felt good. Then I went to work." In the final minute, repeat powerful sentences like, "I can learn English," "I am improving every day," "I speak with confidence," "My pronunciation is getting better," "I enjoy learning English," "Speaking feels easier every day," "I believe in my progress," "I can speak clearly," "I will practice daily," "I am becoming fluent," "I am an English speaker," "My voice matters," "I am getting stronger," "I will not give up." You did amazing today. This is your 10-minute fluency method, simple, powerful, and easy to follow. Practice this every day and you will feel your English improving inside you. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. Remember, small steps, daily practice, and big transformation. I'll see you in the next episode. Keep speaking, keep growing, and keep shining.